Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we set the home page. We imported this template and we set it as our home page. Now this is quite a long page, and when you've got long pages like this, it's not a bad idea to have a back to the top button. Now back to the top button is just a little button that pops out on the side here. It's got a fixed position. You click on it and it takes the user back to the top of the site. Now those are really useful, especially if you're browsing on a mobile phone, because the page just goes on and on and on and you don't want to have to scroll all the way back to the top with your thumb. If you're down at the bottom there, it's easier just to hit a button and go to the top. Of course you could hit the logo and home, but a back to the top button is a nice feature. Really easy to do with the Divi theme, so let's get started. First we need to go to our dashboard, down to Divi and to theme options. Once in the theme options, we need to be on the general tab, and if we scroll down here we've got a load of switches, and if we keep going down to the second lot of switches, we've got a back to the top button. At the moment it's disabled by default. Simply click on it till it's enabled. When you're done, save the changes. There's a save changes button at the bottom and the top for convenience. When you get the little green check mark, simply go back to the site and refresh. Now once I start scrolling down the page, you should see the button appear on the right hand side there. And there it is. I keep scrolling down, simply click on it and it'll take you back to the top. Like I say, that's a nice little feature to have, especially if you're on mobile, because when you're scrolling on a phone it can go on and on and on, especially with a long page like this. So there's how to add a back to the top button with the Divi theme. So I hope you've enjoyed that snippet. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.